All right, no disrespect, but Tesla, your design engineers are crap. The fact that you have this gap here, and I just lost our key card down there, and unfortunately can't get it out. It really sucks, and it's a terrible design. What any good engineer would do is put a little screen protector there to prevent anything from going back down in there. I'm going to show you how to do that for free. What you're going to want to do is grab onto right here and right here, and just kind of gently pull this up. I got this, it's actually for like a screen door. It's got PSA on one side, and then with this up, there's a flat piece right here. I'm going to just attach it to that, and that should create enough, fill in that gap, and still allow this guy to slide. All right, I got it stuck on there. Now to attach this guy back. Alrighty, you can see that it's taking up that gap perfectly, and this still closes. Alright, how I lost my key card. This is the key that actually starts it. Not this is my credit card. But it dropped out of my hand and it slipped down there super fast. And now you can see with putting, literally it cost me, I don't know, I got 30 feet of this stuff on Amazon, and I probably used about 8 inches here, so maybe 50 cents on Amazon, an actual cost. But now credit cards, things don't just fall down there. But Tesla, if you had good engineers, look what you could do.